Warning National Weather Service. For the following county, Kankakee, Illinois. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a flash flood warning for northern Iroquois County in east central Illinois, north central Ford County in east central Illinois, northern Livingston County in central Illinois, southern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southern Jasper County in northwestern Indiana, southern Newton County in northwestern Indiana, until 6 a.m. At 12:53 a.m., Doppler radar indicated a line of intense thunderstorms producing very heavy rainfall across the warning area. Radar shows this line moving very little with repeated regeneration of storms potentially leading a long-duration period of very heavy rainfall. Rainfall rates of 1 to locally 3 inches per hour are likely with the strongest storms. Localized totals in the warning area could exceed 4 or 5 inches by early Monday morning. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly and is particularly dangerous at night. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Streator, Rensselaer, Dwight, Kentland, Morocco, Hanging Grove, Beaver City, Percy Junction, Moody, McCoysburg, Pleasant Ridge, Surrey, Enos, Herscher, Clifton, St. Anne, Remington, Chubett, Odell and Brook. Including the following interstates: Interstate 55 between mile markers 199 and 216. Interstate 57 between mile markers 290 and 306. Indiana Interstate 65 between mile markers 201 and 222. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding.